It's Monday, the 27th of July, 2026 in Hong Kong. It's raining in Hong Kong. I guess it's always raining here. Especially this time of year. It's raining in Hong Kong. It always seems to be raining around here. Especially this time of year. But tell me, when does it never rain here? The Hong Kong Observatory, well, they raise the signal 8. Isn't that great? Now we can't go outside. Can't take the dog for a walk. The shopping mall, the doors are all locked. There's nothing to do around here. There's nothing ever to do around here. It's raining in Hong Kong. It always seems to be raining around here. Especially this time of year. It's the Hong Kong Observatory. Well, they raise the signal 8. Isn't that great? Now we can't even go outside. Can't take the dog for a walk. Can't go to the shopping malls. The doors are all locked. There's nothing to do around here. But then there's nothing ever to do around here. It's raining in Hong Kong. It always seems to be raining around here. Especially this time of year. But tell me, when does it stop raining here? The Hong Kong Observatory, well, they raise a signal 8. Isn't that great? Can't go outside. Can't take the dog for a walk. Shopping mall doors are locked. There's nothing to do around here. But there's never ever anything to do around here. It's raining in Hong Kong. It always seems to be raining here. It's a song. It's a poor version of the song. It's raining in Hong Kong. It always seems to be raining here. Especially this time of year. But tell me, when does it stop raining here? The Hong Kong Observatory, well, they raise the signal 8. Isn't that great? Now we can't even go outside. Can't take the dog for a walk. The shopping malls, the doors are locked. There's nothing to do around here. Tell me, when is there ever something to do around here? It's raining in Hong Kong. It always seems to be raining here. Especially this time of year. But tell me, when does it stop raining here? The Hong Kong Observatory, will they raise a signal 8? Isn't that great? Now we can't even go That's a song. It's raining in Hong Kong. It always seems to be raining here. Especially this time of year. But tell me, when does it never rain here? When does it ever stop raining here? The Hong Kong Observatory, well, they raised the signal 8. Isn't that great? Now we can't even go outside. Can't take the dog for a walk. Shopping malls, doors are locked. There's nothing to do around here, but tell me, when is there ever a lot to do around here? It's raining in Hong Kong, it always seems to be raining here. That's a song.